Hello, good morning. Now I'm going to talk about the parts and the function of the cell membrane. The first is phospholipids bilayer or the lipids. Ito siya. Itong bilog na ito at saka itong stick na to. Tapos yung pangalawa is cholesterol. Ito. Ayan. Tapos yung pangatlo is integral membrane proteins. uh, post peripheral membrane proteins, tapos glycolipids. Ito siya. Yan. So now I'm going to talk about their function. The first is phospholipids. Ito siya, itong bilog-bilog na yan at saka yung stick. Phospholipids are a major component of cell membranes. Phospholipids form a lipid bilayer in which their hydrophilic heads spontaneously arrange to face the aqueous cytosol and the extracellular fluid, while their hydrophobic tail areas face away from the cytosol and extracellular fluid. The lipid bilayer is semi-permeable, allowing only certain molecules to diffuse across the membrane. And second is cholesterol. Ito siya. Yan. Ito. Cholesterol is another lipid component of animal cell membranes. Cholesterol molecules are selectively dispersed between membrane phospholipids. This helps to keep cell membranes from becoming stiff by preventing phospholipids from being too closely packed together. Cholesterol is not found in the membranes of plant cells. Ito. The third is integral membrane proteins. Ito siya. Ito. Yan. These are structures present on the inside, outside, and also throughout the cell membrane. Fluorescence and electron microscopy can be used in viewing these proteins. These proteins are present on the entire whole surface of the cell membrane. Examples of these structures include the cadherins, integrins, clathrin, coated pits, desmosomes, cavioles, etc. And the fourth is peripheral membrane proteins. These proteins are attached bound to the surface of the membrane by means of hydrogen bonds and electrostatic interaction. The hydrogen bonds of these peripheral proteins are formed of hydrophilic phospholipid heads which form the bilayer. Ito siya. Ito. Yan. And the last is glycolipids. Glycolipids are located on cell membrane surfaces and have a carbohydrates sugar chain attached to them. They help the cell to recognize other cells of the body. Ito siya. Ito. 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 Ayan.